me.
He's been waiting a long time for this, and we're all very excited and very happy. Nice to meet everybody. We got the whole family together, so it's great. Cheers.
All the small things.
Funny. Siya yung tipong lalaki na hindi ka maboboring kasama. Masaya siya lagi. Lagi siya nakangiti, lagi siya nakasmile.
You're right. Best trip. Always.
Napakatotoo niya po and how she handles her son. Nakita ko pa na she's a great mom. So I'm like, oh, I want this.
Yeah, hindi ko siya kayang kalimutan kasi siya lang yung unang lalaki na nagpatunay sa akin na kamahal-mahal ako.
Hi, my love! Hello, my love! Today is the most beautiful day of my life because today I get to call you my wife.
It ain't so. I will not go.
This is for you, not because of what it is, but because it comes with all my heart. I love you, my forever, always love, doll.
Night will go on. The night will go on. My little windmill.
Tinatanggap mo ba si Claire na magiging kabiyak ng iyong puso?
Yes po.
Claire, tinatanggap mo ba si Don na iyong magiging kabiyak ng iyong puso?
Opo.
Dear Valia, my headache, my healer, my sweet and sour lover. See, I was right. You'd be my wife. And I've been saying this since 2016. Tapos, nung 2016 pa po, I always said na we'll be together like husband and wife. Siya tatawa lang, ha. Pero sinasabi ko na po yung dati pa. And then, 9 years later, we're here.
Ikaw na kaya siguro ang pangakong paraiso. Naglayag sa kawalan, di huminto kahit pawisto. Napansin ko sa pag-ibig, tanga ka kahit alis.
Dear my love, Don, way back 2016 nung nag-message ka sa akin, akala ko hanggang usap lang tayo. Pero consistent ka pa din na nagme-message sa akin every year para lang mapansin kita. Yung pala, sign na pala yun ni God na ikaw yung bibigay niya sa akin habang buhay.
Kaya sa pagtayo ko sa umaga ay hanap ko na ang ngiti mo na nagpasaya kakaiba. Nagbago na lahat-lahat, salamat na natagpuan kita. 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 Natagpuan kita.
Yeah, hell yeah. Niggas gonna be like, oh. Let's go, baby!
Pero ayun nga, pinatunayan mo sa akin na may isang lalaking pwede akong itrato ng tama, ingatan yung puso ko, na hindi ko kailangan maging strong, independent woman kasi nandyan ka. Di mo hinayaan na maramdaman ko mag-isa lang ako kay Ivo. Pinaramdam mo sa akin na pwede ko mabigyan si Ivo ng isang tatay na mamahalin siya ng buong buo.
Hindi ako nakatulog. Hindi ko alam kung anong speech ang gagawin ko para sa
Umiyak na naman niya. Mamaya ka na umiyak. Later.
久々に会えて嬉しい。
ありがとう。あても嬉しかった。
I hope this photo brings a smile to your heart, reminding you that your love lives on in the life we are building and that no matter how far I go, I will always be your daughter.
I wouldn't be who I am without you. With all my love, always. Don, Mikael. Yay! Love you na.
I love you, Bamani.
Alright.
Totoo yung slow motion eh. Nangyari siya sa akin. Sabi ko, hala, ito na ba yun? Talaga like,
Hindi ko pa po siya nakita. I seen the bridesmaid. It made me emotional. Like, sabi ko, ganito pala yun, yung feeling.
sabi ko, ay, Diyos ko, this is it. Ito na yun, ito na yun.
I don't wanna lie, we've been feeling right. Tell me that you want me.
Akala ko sa movie lang yung may slow motion. Pero mangyayari din pala yun sa totoong buhay. Sa sobrang pogi mo, na starstruck kang person. That moment, I feel like I had known you forever.
I love you, baby. I don't want to make this too long. We still got some partying to do. But always remember, my love, this is the beginning of a wonderful, blessing life.
I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna feel it more with you. I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna feel it more with you. Feel in love with you.
Here's to a lifetime of inside jokes, messy mornings, and holding hands even when wrinkly and gray. I love you more than yesterday and never more than tomorrow. Your wifey. And
I'm still in love with
Dinideklara ko po na si Don at Claire Verdilla ay ganap ng mag-asawa sa hapong pong ito.
I just wanna feel more with you.
Don, ready ka na ba na ikis si Claire?
Hindi pa po.
I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna feel it more with you.
I love you, baby. Welcome to a new chapter of life with me.
Yeah, siya lang yung lalaki na pinatunayan niya sa akin na deserve mo to. Ito dapat yun sa'yo.